In the last video, I made this cool custom Sonic skateboard for my nephew for his birthday, and today we're actually gonna go build it. I don't know why I'm gonna build it because he's probably not gonna skate it, but I think it would make for a special gift since I did miss giving him a present on his birthday because I'm a terrible uncle. So yeah, but regardless, we are gonna make it really, really cool. That is the plan. Hopefully it works out. Without any further ado, I guess let's jump right into it. We're here, kind of, not really, because we're still outside. It's incredibly hot, so I want to make this kind of quick. We'll go in there, we'll get the supplies, and then we'll go back home and actually build the board there, but I am going to film while I'm there, so enjoy whatever happens from now until then. I'm really excited to see what they'll have for this upside down Sonic board. I think it's going to look really, really good when it's all said and done, as long as they have stuff that'll match the Sonic theme, so hopefully that's the case. Oh god, it's too hot for this. I don't want to do it anymore. Employees only. I'm an employee. Just kidding, I'm not, but they don't know that.
Is that the Sonic?
Yeah.
No way. Oh my god. That's beautiful.
I'm so tired. I missed you. I'm so tired of that. I love you. I feel like the thing that's going to make the most sense with this board is going to be the little color buddies from Enjoy. I feel like that's like Chaos Emeralds per se, which would look perfect for a Sonic board. Yeah, we're going with that. There's not much for wheel choices that are really colorful, so I'll have to figure that out. I'll probably pull some out and then go from there. Might do blue orbs, but the deck is blue, so I don't know if I want to do that. Somebody left a comment saying I should do like green wheels, so I might do that. I don't know. Again, we'll see. I'll pull those out. Trucks, I'm just gonna do silver trucks. Nothing wrong with that. Or these white tinsers, I might do that too. So I'll start pulling stuff out and seeing what works. As for bearings, like I said, he's not gonna skate it, so we'll just do these Rush bearings. They're pretty cheap. Actually, they're incredibly cheap. They're just $5. It's not gonna focus on it. So not bad. I was hoping they had some cool grip, but it looks like they just have Thrasher and a few other ones that don't really go well with the board, so we're just gonna stick to our usual black, if I can get it to come off. Whoops. So this is kind of where we're at right now. I've got Mob M80 grip, the Enjoy Buddy hardware, some really cheap Rush bearings, like literally $4.99, that's absolutely insane. And then for wheels, I really don't know what's gonna work. Like I said, blue, I feel like could look good, but it just doesn't on this. I really don't like the leopard print on that, so I think that's a no-go. The yellow, I'm leaning towards just because I have yellow up there, and then you have the super powered version, basically Super Saiyan of Sonic, which is yellow, so I feel like that would look good. And if this green was solid green, I think it would look really good too, but it's like a split, so I don't care for that, which sucks. So I think we're just gonna do the cheap Bones 100s. They're still good wheels, and again, it's not being skated, so I guess it doesn't matter, and being a little too picky, but we'll do that. Get rid of all of those, just get those out of here. We don't need those. And for trucks, I went with the white tinsers because I think they're gonna look the best on here, and they actually fit the board perfectly. So this is our setup. Now I can take it home and build it and clean up my mess. I'm sorry guys, I'll do better. Oh, also before I leave, is there a board up here that you guys would like to see for a giveaway? I'll zoom out, well, back up I guess, so you can get a better look. Yeah, seriously, if there's a board up here that you guys want, let me know, because I could potentially pick one of these for a giveaway. I'm almost thinking the NFT style monkey boards up there I don't know though. I don't know. What do you think's gonna do well for the channel? Because this could be another giveaway. So again, let me know. Or that one seems like pretty good quality. I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys. I think it's on this side. Oh, does that mean it's free?
Yeah, her last shift is Saturday.
It's free.
I can't scan.
Thank you. I needed that.
No returns.
That's fine. I wasn't gonna return
No
it.
returns. Get out.
Rude. I'm going to my local skate shop. Oh wait, this is my local skate shop. Got the goods. Now we can leave. We are back with the board and all the stuff to build the board. So now, at this point, you can empty out the bag and start building. Usually, whenever I build a board, the first step that I do is put together the wheels, the bearings, and the trucks. In my opinion, it is just the fastest way to build a board. I'm sure there's other ways out there because there's no right or wrong way to build a board, but this is just my preference and what I like to do. Something to keep in mind whenever you are putting together your trucks, do not over tighten the wheels or do not under tighten. So what you want to have is just a little bit of wiggle room. If you over tighten, you risk seizing your bearing and that's no good. If you under tighten, you risk the wheel wobbling around, which in turn basically destroys the bearing. Now when it comes to gripping the deck itself, again, there's several ways that you can go about doing this. My way is just to grab the edge of the grip with my thumb and my index finger and then use my middle finger to help guide it on the nose and the tail. And then what I'm gonna do is pull it down to where I can make sure the grip is parallel with the edge of the deck, slide it forwards, and then lay it into place and work my way down to the center and get rid of any air bubbles. After I've gotten rid of all the air bubbles in the grip, I will get my razor blade and cut 4 corners, which you don't have to do. I just find it easier to do that because it gives me a stopping point just in case I have to remove the razor blade. But I'll do 4 corners, cut all the way around, keeping my thumb pressed firmly against the deck with my index finger running underneath the deck, and the razor blade is pinched between my thumb and the deck itself. So just slide that all the way around and you can get a really good clean edge. You also want to make sure that your razor blade is slightly at an angle because if it's straight, you're not going to cut enough of the grip off, which is going to leave some overhang on the deck. After you cut and sand the grip tape, making it look really, really good, what you're going to do next is flip over your board, and if you don't have anything small enough to go through the holes, what you're going to use is your hardware. What I like to do at that point is get a drill and clean up those holes, mainly because I have OCD. I'm not really OCD, but it just looks so much better with a cleaner hole. So I use a drill for that, and then put all the hardware back through and put the trucks together, and that's pretty much it. It's self-explanatory after that. And now it is complete. It looks really, really good. It'll never be skated, but I think it's gonna be a great display board regardless. Now all that's left to do is to hand it off to my nephew. Of course, I can't let this board leave my possession without doing some kind of trick on it, so let's do something. That was an ollie. The trucks are way too loose. I should probably tighten those if he does want to skate it. And we'll do a kickflip in my office with very little room. Let's see if I can get it. Ah, no. I probably need my skate shoes. There we go. Kickflip. And done. It's ready. It looks clean. So good. It turns out my brother is actually on his way over here, which works out perfectly because we'll just do everything here at my house. Instead of invading their privacy, we'll invade my privacy because it's already on YouTube anyway, so why does it matter? So this is perfect. I'm gonna leave my camera set up exactly like it is because we can come in through the door. I have the board set up over there, and all I have to do is just grab it and then give it to him and hopefully film his reaction. I'm gonna be the best uncle ever, or I'll be a terrible uncle, and I doubt that's gonna happen. But yeah, you never know. Hello?
Zoom.
Hello?
Zoom.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
This is a motorbot.
Didn't mention anything, by the way. That's
This is a
That works out perfectly.
This is a motorbot. This is Tails, and this is classic Sonic.
I see that.
Zoom.
Hey, I have something for you. You wanna follow me? Okay, let's go down the hallway. This way.
What is it?
Okay. Stay right there. All right. Look at the camera.
That's not a camera.
That's definitely a camera. This is for you.
What?
Do you want to look at it?
Yes. Cool. Cool.
Well, I made that for you. Happy late birthday, because I'm terrible and forgot. Interested in everything else over there. I guess that works. All right. Well, I don't know if that's the reaction that I wanted, but hey, it works out, so it's okay.
what do you think?
I like it.
I'll turn camera off so you can actually enjoy it. Well, that officially brings us to the end of today's video, and I don't know if that's the reaction that I was expecting or I was hoping for. It's kind of difficult to have a real, genuine reaction when you have cameras in your face, so I definitely understand that, but it was still a good reaction, and I think that we are in the clear. I think that I am now considered the good uncle. If not, well, I'll have to keep trying and make sure that I'm a good uncle, and I can't forget next year, otherwise I'll have to do this again. Hopefully I don't forget, or I could forget and just have more content. So I don't know, we'll see what happens later on down the road. But again, that's gonna be it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you did, leave a like, comment down below on what you wanna see next, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one, so stay awesome. Later.